Okay, for this segment here, we are going to put in how much it cost for us to make a pie. How much it cost us to make a pie. If I were to take the ingredients of the pie and put everything that is associated with that pie, just the food part of it, how much it would cost me in food. Now, obviously, as a restaurant owner, I'd want it about 30%, but I want to include how much it would cost per pie. So, for rough numbers, maybe I sell pies fairly close. I mean, we had them within 50 cents. But some of them might be that, as a pie, it may sell for, if I do $2 a piece and it's a 10-piece pie, then I'm selling it for 20. So for it to be cost effective, one way to determine how much I need my food cost to be would be that I do a quick calculation. If I do the equals 20 times 0.3, which is 30%, should give me how much 30% is of the total amount that I have earned. This is as much per pie as I should be spending. Now, for our purposes, we're going to do 30% so that we are close to how much we would need to spend on a pie. So what I want you to do is, because you have the numbers, I do not, I want you to take in this column, and I want you to take some time and to do the same calculation I did with each individual pie. What did I do? I took the price per slice and I multiplied it by how many slices per pie. That will give me the total amount for an individual pie. Because I have 10 slices for one pie times 2, that's 20. So I have $20. Then I times it, shift 8 on your keyboard, by 0.3. Why 0.3? Well, that is the decimal version of 30%. So this way I can determine that 6 is 30% of my total for a pie, and this is what I need to keep my food costs under. So let's say that we did do that for the week. This is the amount that we can include. $6 for a $20 pie that I'm selling. $6 is my food cost for that. So do that for each individual one. Take how much per slice, times it by how many slices on a pie, and then times that by 30%, 0.3, and that will give you how much. But we're missing something here when you're all done with that, is that you want to make sure that it is in currency, because this is telling me it's $6 for food costs for that particular pie. So what I want you to do next, after this segment ends, is I want you to help each other by inputting that data. Do it as I did it. Equals, take the amount for the pie, times it by the 30%, and that's going to give you your food cost for that particular pie. That 30% I can spend $6 in food costs to make that particular pie. So go ahead and do that for each pie and help each other out.